If you're thinking of using Chat with Your Database AI, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. And the last one could save you from a major data headache. You can try this software completely free using the first link in the description, but let me walk you through what makes this just released AI tool such a game changer and what you need to watch out for. So what is Chat with Your Database AI? It lets you converse with your database in plain English, no SQL, no coding, just ask and it answers. For marketers, founders, and data analysts, this isn't just useful, it's a complete time saver. You can literally ask, what was our highest converting landing page last quarter? And get a response in seconds. It connects to popular databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and even cloud services like Snowflake and BigQuery. Setup is shockingly simple. Authenticate your database and you're ready to chat. There's zero fluff in the UI, which I respect. It's built for utility, not hype. Now it's important to know, this AI doesn't just translate English into SQL, it understands context. You can reference previous queries, ask follow-ups, and it won't break. If you've used clunky AI SQL tools before, this is in a different league. For teams, it's collaborative. You can share queries, generate visuals, and even build dashboards inside the interface. That's a massive productivity boost for any data-driven team. Security-wise, it's encrypted end-to-end, and you can set permissions down to table or schema level. That's huge if you're working with sensitive client data or anything under NDA. One thing to note, while the AI is smart, it's not perfect. If your database isn't well organized or labeled, you might need to guide it a bit, but even then, the time it saves you is worth it. Now here's the kicker, it has a learning mode. Over time, it adapts to the way you ask questions and the structure of your data. That alone separates Chat with Your Database AI from most of the launch and forget tools out there. If you want to skip writing SQL and start conversing with your data, this is easily one of the best AI software releases I've tested this year. And I've tested thousands. You can try Chat with Your Database AI for free from the first link below. No credit card, no commitment. And if you're serious about building an AI-powered workflow, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description too, all tested and free to try. Thanks for watching. And remember, the smarter your tools, the faster your growth.